Anybody way won't fight you, may they come, they already know. I'll be right beside you, like the wall of Jericho. They don't know, they don't know, they don't know what's going on. Monagiso, 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 my baby boo. I'll be a soldier for you, I'm getting better in Kung Fu. You should know I got you, and you don't need to guide me too. I'll be right beside you in anything that you do. If you ever need saving, I will be running to you, running, running, running to you. I'll be running to you, running, running, running to you. Anywhere that you go to, running, running, running to you. I'll be running to you, running, running, running to you. Anywhere that you go to.
When I'm looking for trouble, it's cause I know that I got you. Wanting my best, everybody, oh oh. And it's because of your kung fu. And anytime that I'm out of control, you hold me down, you never, never let go. Yeah. Munagiso, 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 my baby boo. See all the battles you'll be fighting.
Hello investors, you're welcome to another day with house inspecting with more rain. Okay, so here I am in Awoyaya Ajah-Lekki. Okay, so if you're asking where is Awayaya, Awayaya is the fourth bus stop after Ajah. From Awayaya, landmarks around Awayaya, you get the Green Spring Schools, you get the Coast Charis Motors, you get the Lekki Free Trade Zone, you get MN Estate, you get Lagos Business School, Novera Mall, Omu Resorts close by, and a whole lot of beautiful landmarks. So what am I trying to tell you about Awayaya? It's already a place where you can live. There are amenities like hospitals, there's banks, there's marketplaces, malls, event places, and the likes. So this is a good place for you to build and also train your family. Okay, so we're going to do this house tour. I'm going to take you to this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow right in the heart of Oribanwa, Awayaya. Yes. So we're going to start from the beautiful porch sit out where you can just, you know, feel like a sit out, you know, for visitors if they come around, you can sit and wait while they knock. There's also an external window. Now in this house we're still building. This is just an unfinished. I don't know how it will be delivered to you, trust me. But I'm going to do a tour for you so you should see what going on so far. So come with me. Okay, so you're right here inside. When you enter the door, you get into the sitting room. The sitting room is very, very spacious. I love the space here. It's quite big. You can do a lot of things with it. And look at the POP. We did a POP in such a way that you can do your extra, finishing touches to the POP. If you want some extra things done to your POP, you can do that. If you like it, this is a beautiful design as well. So back to the sitting room. The sitting room comes with tiles, tiled. Of course, in the sitting room, you're going to have external windows for good ventilation. You can see very, very airy, very airy. Okay, so come again. We're not through. That I see all the mess here. We're still working on it, but I just have to do this video tour because I love everything about this 3-bedroom block, and that's why I'm just doing this tour with you. So in the bungalow, you still get your own visitors toilet right by here, by the side of the door. The visitors get a visitors toilet. Of course, we're still working on it. It's work in progress. So yeah, so in this kind of sitting room, you can use this space here to do your decorations for your TV stand and everything, or you can use this space here depending on where you want. And of course, this whole place comes to this place that you can either cover up. This place leads you to the dining room, the dining place, of course. You can either do a cover up here or you can leave it open depending on whatever design you want. But if you come right here, you can see this space is good enough for dining. It's quite spacious for dining. And it goes all up. I still love the POP design. Here you can put in your dining tables for your kids, your wife. See the family house, they put you in memory that doing everything. Okay, so I want to go to the room too, but my favorite part of the house is always the kitchen. So that's what we're going to check it out first. The kitchen. Okay, so let me put on my glasses. Right before we go to the kitchen, there's this road path. You can walk in. And spacious where you now have where you can do your changeover. Even here it has the breeze outside. 61 ventilation outside. You can still get it here. See, they have everything in mind. So the thing I love about this place is that they made it super airy for you. They made it super airy for you. So coming towards the kitchen is not just one door, and it's just there's a road path to the kitchen. That's what I love about it. Very airy, very spacious. So come along with me. This is the kitchen. Yeah. Okay, so I love the good thing about this kitchen. I love the design. This kitchen is going to come with kitchen cabinets. Now look at the POV. I love the POV. It's lovely. I love the way the beauty just went up. You can do a lot of things. There's spaces for you to put cabinets all over here. Of course, it's going to come with kitchen cabinets with a sink for you to wash. And then the sink is going to, I think, maybe somewhere here. Yeah, there'll be a sink. Leading directly to outside, of course, airy space where air can easily come in. And yes, in this kitchen, do you know we created a special different space for you to have your come on in. Yes, you have a storeroom where you can keep your rice, your beans, lamb. You can even put your freezer, whatever you want to store. You don't want to disturb your kitchen. You understand? That's what you're going to have in here. Okay, so in this kitchen too, instead of making it only one way into the kitchen, you can also have another external door outside. Yes, you see? This is the outside kitchen. Also here again, you can have your sit-up place where you can come and sit. Put chairs here if you want to. Maybe you're cooking oily thing inside the kitchen. Smoke is coming out from the other end. So okay, let's just come out here and just, have a breeze and look around. So overview of the kitchen shows your neighborhood. Yes, it shows you neighbors' houses, your backyard. There's a good backyard here. It's quite spacious. If you can see the backyard, just go out in the things. It's going to show you a very spacious backyard where you can keep stuff, where that allows air visibility, and you can see that you can also have a good overview outside. Ain't that lovely, huh? So yeah, so let's go back to the kitchen. Yes, so what I'm saying about this kitchen, look at the tiling on the floor. They did good finishing in the tiling. The kitchen is going to come with cabinets, kitchen wardrobes. It's going to come with sink, area for gas cooker, and all of that. Okay, so lovely kitchen, right? So we're going to move into the room. Okay, so are you done looking at the kitchen? So we're going to go and look at the 3 rooms. But before we go forward with the rooms, there's something lovely I love about this place. Now, can you see? From the sitting room, they came to the dining, gave another road network to the kitchen, gave another road network to the rooms. So what am I saying is there's utmost privacy in mind when the construction of this property is going on. We have your privacy in mind. Yeah, so let's go to the room. So they have privacy in mind, yeah. I like the way you think. So going straight, we're going to look at the first room. So we have 3 rooms here. We have one by the extreme.
Dr. Dollar Entertainment. I go be your superwoman. You go carry me, go the altar. Money day or money no day. I go still there for you. I go still there for you. I go be your superwoman. You go carry me go the altar. Carry me go the altar. Money day or money no day. I go still there for you. I go still there for you. Baby I no go give you shit coco. Come, make I and you the coco. Like the bunch, baby, make we don't go low. Forever, I never do the coco. I've got a grenade for you. Stand in the rain with you. Always be there for you. Jump off a plane for you. I've got a grenade for you. Promise to stand by you, yeah. Oh, there for you. Never. When trouble day, baby no go man shadow. No go man Clara. No be stand with you. When trouble day, I got to grenade for you. Stand in the rain with you. Always be there for you. Jump off a plane for you. I got to grenade for you. Promise to stand by you, yeah. Oh, I'm on and on. I go be your superwoman. You go carry me go the altar. Money day or money no day, I go still there for you. I go still there for you. I go be your superwoman. You go carry me go the altar. Carry me go the altar. Money day or money no day, I go still there for you. I go still there for you.
Jason on the
I be king, I'm the best my generation ever seen. I came suddenly, I be like Nepa Bill. I never since, I never miss. I be smashing, I been killing everything. From Ikeja to Ojuwe, Lekki Bridge. To the many places that I've never been. Remember this, I'm a king, I'm a legend in the making, I'm a champion. Remember this, I'm a king, I'm a legend in the making, I'm a champion. Remember this, I'm a king, I'm a legend in the making, I'm a
super good, hey. I be finding silver lining where the mother said I need patience in due time, and I'll be reclining by design. I've been grinding for my needs. Bought a whip to give my nephew, put them diamonds on my knees, shining so dope that I purchased 88 keys for mama to play a song and call my ADHD. With this baby face, fine, yeah, them rarely hate me. Get them belly eggs, love them waist deep. Every occasion, I put money in safekeep. Very impatient, be on time when you pay me. Very evasive when they hating what they see. Made me a nation, then they crown me as their king. Bell rings and then my hands are raised. MGM Grander Mandalay. Envy him now while my victory has just begun. When you see me, just know you looking at a motherfucking champion.
I'm a motherfucking champion. Remember this, I'm a king, I'm a legend in the making, I'm a champion. Oh, champion. Remember this, I'm a king, I'm a legend in the making, I'm the average boy from the average streets, with an empty pocket and a bag of dreams. Many things where your eyes don't see, many tears where your eyes don't bleed. Through the rise and falls, I made it to the top. You don't get anything when you want to. Oh, I'm a champion. I'm a king, I'm a legend, I'm a champion. Oh, I'm a motherfucking champion. Remember this, I'm a legend and I'm a king. yeah, kò wọlé. Níbo, níbo, kò wọlé. Elelelele, yeah, kò wọlé. Níbo, níbo. Ades. Yeah. Tilẹ̀jàre. Tilẹ̀jọ̀. Lele, lele, oh yeah now, lele.